To check if a package is installed on your Ubuntu server, you need to use the terminal. First, open the terminal window. You can do this by pressing Ctrl plus Alt plus T on your keyboard or by connecting to your server using SSH. Once the terminal is open, type the following command: Dpkg L vertical bar grep package name replace package name with the name of the package you want to check. For example, if you want to check if curl is installed, type dpkg L vertical bar grep curl. If the package is installed, you will see a line showing the package details. This line includes the package name, version, and description. If the package is not installed, you will see no output or the command will return to the prompt without any results. If you want to check the status of a package in more detail, you can use dpkg sa package name. This command shows detailed information about the package, including whether it is installed or not. If the package is installed, you will see information such as the package version and description. If it is not installed, the command will give you an error message saying the package is not found. This is how you check if a package is installed on Ubuntu. Use these commands anytime you want to verify your server's software.